So, while I'm waiting for the rest of the components to finish the KZ, I decided to go over to Harbor Freight and get a table lift. That's upside down, you guys, isn't it? Let me walk around this way. Yeah, there you go. So anyway, so we're going to put this thing together and kind of give it a once over and see what we think. So hang on, here we go. You know what? I've got this thing in here backwards. Yep, that's turned around. Oh, lovely. And so there we go. Not actually all that hard and difficult to put together. It's it works. I mean, I'm sure it'll lift the motorcycle once I get one on it. I believe I'm going to be putting the purple people eater up on here to finish that project. So in the next video, it'll be sitting up on here. I guess it's time will tell how this thing works out. They're not super expensive. I mean, 600 bucks is not all that much for a lift. If you go on Amazon and start looking, you can't find anything that cheap. So I will eventually one day buy a nicer one, you know, maybe an electric one or something like that. But for now, this will do the trick. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.